Hello friends, today's topic, sir, stock market profits are almost zero after inflation. Is it true? This is one of the questions that we received in the chat box very recently. I am Dr. Bharath. The purpose of the video is service to society. We had made a video recently with a comparison inflation and returns from stock markets. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಲಾಭದ ಹಣವನ್ನು ತಿನ್ನುತ್ತಿರುವ ಕಣ್ಣಿಗೆ ಕಾಣದ ಕಳ್ಳ. It looks like there is confusion in people's minds. We received the following comment. Sir, stocks grow well in long term, but when we take inflation into consideration, nothing will be left out at the end. Now, extra corpus creation, rupees 5,000 per month investment, average inflation 7% per annum. Bank RD PPF, return 7%. Corpus value after 30 years before tax, 60.64. Value of money with inflation, 60.64. Extra corpus creation, 0. Equity mutual fund returns 13% and corpus value after 30 years before tax is 1.99. Value of money with inflation 60.64. Extra corpus creation 1.38 crores. Portfolio of stocks returns 15%. Corpus value after 30 years before tax 3 crores. Value of money with inflation 60.64 lakhs and extra corpus creation 2.39 crores. Now, supervised portfolio returns 18%. Corpus value after 30 years before tax 5.60. Extra corpus creation after the inflation is 4.99 crores. Our investments have to grow at a rate much higher than inflation so that we have the capacity to spend on whatever we want in the future. For example, the inflation is 7% per annum and the returns after tax from bank FD is 5.5% after tax. Then you will get negative 1.5 returns and hence your money has actually depreciated after considering inflation. What investors need to understand is that inflation impacts all investments. However, it has a significantly negative impact on investment which grow at a rate which is less than the inflation rate. Instruments such as bank FDs, post office deposits, insurance most of the times provide returns which are lower than inflation. On the other hand, usually mutual funds, stocks, real estate, gold have the capacity to beat inflation when they perform well. That's the reason it is said that the high percentage of our money should be in inflation beating instruments. So you can see that investing in bank FDs, post office and other fixed interest instruments will result in almost no extra corpus created after taking inflation into consideration. Stock market investments are also impacted by inflation, but since the amount will be comparatively much larger, there will be still meaningful amount left out after 20 to 30 years. So only if a good percentage of your money is invested in inflation beating instruments such as stocks will it be beneficial for you. Many people invest more than 30% of their money in bank and post office thinking of the safety angle, which makes it almost impossible for their overall portfolio to beat inflation. They end up with sufficient corpus. Now at the end of the video, type understood if you realize that the future value of your portfolio of stocks will be much better than other investments. If you are not the member of Dr. Bharath Chandra, Rohan Chandra channel, this is the time to subscribe, press the bell icon, send the video to all your friends. The video is good, press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.